Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I've been out for a long time. I've been on the ground like a worm, and I believe it's time I get up off the underground. Well, because I've been busy. I've been tearing down stuff, printers, inkjets, laser jets, all kinds of things. I don't even know their names or their functions. Looking for motors, especially stepper motors. And now that I have a good stack, I'm just going to document my stack. Half of my stack. Yes, this is not all my stack. So this will not contain. These are geared motors. Right here are gears. To remove these gears, you can use the motor like this. So this is the geared pad. Remove this, you have a stepper motor below there. These motors I got together on some weird kind of appliance. I don't know what it was used for. I don't care. That's what I care about. I will make some short videos, B-roll type I made while I was unmounting these things, if it can help. If you are looking for stepper motors also. Yes, I'm trying to get my hands wet. I'm trying to be into the CNCs and 3D printers. Now I'm just getting in there just to mess around with the software, okay? Before I ever even think of trying to buy a 3D printer. Just to mess around with the software, X, Y, Z axis. I'm saving the bigger motors for CNCs, okay? You want to build a CNC, forget the small toy motors, okay? These motors you can use for 3D printers, okay? Because 3D printers don't have the same stress as CNCs, okay? So yeah, you can use these for 3D printers. Now, mind you, these motors are unipolar. They are not bipolar. I have some bipolar ones, but then these are mostly 6 pins. There are ways to test them out with a ULN 2003. 2003s are cheap. Now I have more motors here. Oh, and these I got off one device, for example, some sort of light show device they use in nightclubs. They attach some lights, different color filter lights, spins around when you go in nightclubs. You see all these light shows. It's all about this. It's all about here. Okay? So I got more motors. This stuff came from some sort of calculator, but it had a module on the side which has papers, and this thing printed the receipts. There was a heater somewhere, and I got like 3-4 of them. I also got these from laser jets. I have a couple of these. This came from what do you call these things? These things control the doors, the windows, off, and AC, air conditioners. These came from scanners, off, inkjets, etc. So let's go over to eBay a little while. Look, ULN 2003s, 10 piece for just about $2. I mean, these things are like, they're selling peanuts. It's a good idea. These are service mounts. I'm interested in the dips, 10 piece for $150. I mean, come on, man. I don't need all this. 10 piece, $150. 2 for $279. Surface mount, etc. Now, coming off eBay, if you would use a brain cell a bit when you're unmounting these things from the ACs, air conditioners, right? On each circuit board, there are strong chances you are going to find at least 2 or 3 ULN 2003s or 4s, 2003s, 2004s on the PCB. So if you commanded these things, while you're waiting, you can try it out still. Or if you don't have intentions, probably financial reasons, you know, things are not too rosy for me, you know. But I just like collecting boards, you know, so I'll just take the boards, take the 2003s, and try these motors out. All you need is the 2003s and Arduino, and you're running these motors. I have some more motors, but I had too much motors to unmount. But when I'll collect the other stack, I'll unmount them. When I'll tear them down, I might make another video like this. But for now, I want to concentrate on where I got them from. It might help someone. And with this, FB Connects is out.